I am Dr. Monica Agarwal. I am practicing radiologist in Noida with the name of Ultrasound Dimension. I have been practicing for last 10 to 12 years in Noida.
I am Dr. Abhishek Agarwal. I work in Max Healthcare and also part of the Ultrasound Dimensions team.
So we have a clinic with the name of Ultrasound Dimension, and we wanted to shift from the first floor to ground floor for patient convenience, and we decided to renovate the whole thing. So Shashank and Siddhant was introduced to us by a friend of ours, which we were not initially aware of.
So this friend of ours has got her clinic renovated through Shashank and Siddhant, and she recommended them to us. Initially we were a little skeptical because we had not worked with them before that, but after a couple of meetings and once they gave their rough sketches, we were quite convinced that we want to get our clinic redone by them.
Actually, the main concern was that with the running practice, with the clinic ongoing, the construction was a big hassle, not for just us, but for the patients as well. So there were confusions, there were hardships which we all have to face during the whole process. But the end result was very good. We changed the 3D designs many a times. They changed it according to us, and looking at our needs and wishes and everything, they catered to us in a great manner, I would say.
I think their whole team is very professional, and they were open to all the ideas that we gave them. Looking at internet and after surfing through Instagram, we had so many different ideas that came to our minds, but they were accommodative of all our ideas and incorporated them as much as possible into the designs. So as you can see, the end product, we are happy and actually quite overjoyed with the end product that we've got. Even the patients have given us very, very positive reviews about the whole setup.
So I am a very orthodox and I would say very skeptical about changing places, changing things. So I had a lot of queries if I am shifting from first floor to ground floor, how things would be. And I had a very positive vibe in my earlier clinic, and I wanted that same kind of vibe in my new clinic as well. And so they listened to all those ideas and all those requirements, and they catered to it beautifully. I mean, when now I step in, I don't miss my old clinic. That is what it's all about. So I would like to highlight the best spots in my clinic which I love the most. First is the reception area, the entrance area. It was a chaotic area, it was a lot of meters and bad looking walls and everything. And now people say that they're getting a European feel out of that entrance. I mean, I'm amazed. I'm amazed to listen to all those views. Second is I wanted a corner where I can, do some photography with the patients when I'm saying them final goodbye, sending their wishes and all those things. So that is the area, in the waiting area, the corner spot that we have created. I just love it. Because that was my deal right from the beginning that I need such an area in my clinic. Instagram worthy. And the washroom. The washroom is a very essential item in our field because it's a very, very important area. And that washroom has come out really nicely in such a small space, and it is catering to the needs of the people in a nice manner. So I just love it. And the most exclusive part of my clinic, which I feel has added to everything, is the glass, the fluted glass appearance that we have created our partitions for. It is giving a very, very rich luxury feel. People literally touch it, try to feel it, what is that they have put. So it's very, very welcoming. So Rama Projects have a motto which says they don't rest, until people say Rama is the best. And I think they have reached their motto very well with us. So a big thanks to the whole team, especially to Siddhant and Shashank, who listened to me, who bear with me, and finally we ran out the whole thing so nicely. Thank you so much.